Welcome, my friends, to 35ers, Catskill Mountains.
Wow.
Alright everybody, what's up? We're on our way to the Catskill Mountains in New York City. A rough morning. I lost the house key. We were scrambling. I was looking for it. But we are now on our way. 2 hours away from the Catskills. We are expecting a snowstorm tonight. We did not expect it at first. We were supposed to have great weather for the next 3 days. But now we're backpacking to a snowstorm and we might die. We get camp set up. Be prepared for the snowstorm tonight. And hopefully we live to see another day. What's the new drug, bro?
It's like some little plastic thing that people put it. Oh shit.
Yo, come on, dog.
Find a McDonald's.
We're trying to find a McDonald's right now, get a little bit of grub. Just a little bit, because we don't want to be shitting on the damn trail.
True. Obviously, Wawa over everything. Wawa over Quick Check.
I don't know what this kid's talking about. Because Quick Check is the GOAT. Wawa is good. They did open a Wawa in our hometown.
Wawa over Royal
It's the
Farms.
closest Wawa in the radius of maybe 25 miles. So I do like Wawa. I'm excited to start this damn hike. You feel me, Josh? Josh is super excited. We got the beanies on now because it's brick with these windows open because we're so excited. But let's get it, guys. I'm super excited to start this. We're gonna get camp ready. We're gonna have to make an awesome shelter tonight because the snow is coming tonight. So we gotta prepare for that. All right, we're gonna check up with you guys back when we get to the trailhead. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, at the trailhead of Giant Ledge, ready to take off. There's a lot of people here already. We're starting a little late. 2 hour drive, man, a little too late. We have my Alice Pack LC1. Fully packed up, ready to go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, about to start this hike. I'll start with the GPS and we'll see where it takes us from there. Let's get it, guys. Oh shit, you only one?
Yeah, there's one.
Oh, imagine if there's two, bro. Oh, no way. No way.
Two different types.
Because people left them. Make sure they're left them in. Yo, guys, honestly, what are the odds? Josh needed micro spikes and we found 2 different pairs. Obviously, people leave them if they lose stuff.
Is this, I mean, just show the ground real quick.
Look at the ground, guys. I got my micro spike, but you're definitely gonna need them on the trail, guys. Literally ice everywhere. Giant Ledge, right here in this parking spot, right there. Make our way to Giant Ledge, set up base camp, and we're gonna go to Panther Mountain for a little day hike. Go back to camp out for the night, and then we're off to do a different trail, tomorrow. So let's start this hike. I told this guy from the jump that this trail was gonna be icy. He didn't listen. I got my micro spikes.
Yo, I just want to thank the angels, the little angels.
That left these micro spikes for my boy, or else we would be going home right now, boys.
Yo, deadass.
Micro spikes are on. Yo, whoever left those, shout out. Shout out to you. You're the GOAT.
Yo, what, Eric?
Everest 2025. We coming for you. Something has happened. I have broken my DSLR camera. The lens has snapped. I fell on the ice. Now we are on the iPhone. So at least we can still film this adventure before we're back to the car. This trail is no joke. If you don't have the right gear, do not come here during winter and not have the right gear. Definitely need micro spikes. We're gonna quickly go back to the car, but you know what? That camera is hindering my mobility, and it's better that I don't film with that camera all the time. I can't believe I don't have another lens, so I can't even use my camera, so we're gonna deal with it. Well, let's keep going. How you feel about today so far?
You've been alright.
This is what happened, boys and girls. My Panasonic camera is now busted. The lens is fucked up. I fell in the ice because it's in a group. So we're leaving the camera behind, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. Josh just took a piss over there. This trail's no joke. It's all ice. Not too bad so far. We're about a fourth way to the campsite. Then honestly, the real work starts. We gotta start fucking axing up wood and shit. That's gonna be tiring.
I don't know.
No, this is work, but we have more work to do when we get there. It's not resting.
Yeah.
So let's do it. Trail. That's where it gets real.
It just got real.
That is a 90-degree incline. That is rock climbing, my friends. Gloves are on. So for our trails, moderate, hard because our packs, but we're getting through it. Almost at camp. These are the game changers, guys. You need microspikes. Microspikes are needed in the winter. You need these bad boys.
You would review too.
Welcome, my friends, to 35ers, Catskill Mountains. Wow. Me and Josh have hit now the first ledge. This is an epic view.
That we did, bro. That we did.
Got a fire ring right here. Looks like we're gonna set up the tent over here. Put a tarp over here against these two trees just so we have some more snow cover for the night.
This the one that's going on the ground?
Yeah. So we're gonna start working, guys. Making progress with camp. Got the tent nice and taut. I'm gonna hang a tarp right over there. Josh is currently collecting firewood. I'm ready to get this site ready to go. We're getting this fire started right now. Woo! Timber, baby. And guys, we couldn't get a fire going. We've been trying countless hours, chopped so much wood. It's not happening, but you know what? We still having a great time. Short ribs, steak is fucking banging, and this is what camp's about, boy. Fuck it. Camp out tonight. We'll see tomorrow what we're gonna do. You don't need a fire to camp, but you know, it just brings morality to the trip. We're having some good food. It's not too cold. And we're living. Let's get it done. Always gotta have that IPA on the, always gotta have that IPA beer. Night is upon us. What are you playing? What the f— Ooh, you like that fade with it? Guys, night is upon us. It's been a long day. It's been rough. We had trouble making a fire, but camp is set. We're ready to go to bed. We're just gonna chill out for a little bit. I'm warm, 100% warm. Josh thinks alright. He might be a little cold right now, but he'll live. But tonight's gonna be fine. We'll survive. It doesn't look like it's gonna come down that hard. Maybe we'll get a few inches, but we'll be able to get out of here. And then we're gonna play it by ear if we're gonna hike tomorrow. We might be really sore, but we'll deal with it. Camp is awesome right now. Check out the setup. Tent, tarp over it. Right now, we're enjoying some nice tea.
Oh yeah.
Guys, it's very frustrating when things do not go to plan. we couldn't get this fucking fire going. And we're doing everything Joe Robinette taught us. Perfect. We had it, man, but we couldn't keep it going. But we'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Say peace out, Josh.
Peace out, Josh.
7:47 at night. We are bundled up in the tent, nice and warm. It's honestly, I'm like 100%. I'm not even cold. And you know, it's really peaceful. Hearing the sound of the snow hit the nylon on the tent. We're gonna assess if we can make it to day 2. We're gonna see about that, but we're not sure. You good, bro? Cozy?
I'm tired, yo.
Cozy?
I'm trying to figure out what part of my body hurts the most.
I still can't believe I broke my fucking camera falling on ice. Literally holding my camera, a walking stick, and climbing up fucking ice. I slipped and snapped my lens.
Everybody on the mountain heard that shit.
Everyone was like, "You okay?" I'm like, "I'm up, I'm good, but my camera's broken." Tomorrow is another day. All right, Josh?
Let's get it, let's get it.
Let's get it. We going day 2 tomorrow?
Day 2.
I will catch you guys later. It is currently about 5 a.m. Josh has almost died of exposure last night. This dude woke up at 12:30 a.m. and said, "Eric, I'm freezing."
I woke up at 10:15.
Oh, it's 10:15?
No, the first time. I woke up at 10:15. Internally started crying. Because I'm like...
Wait, you woke up at 10:15 and you internally started crying?
Yeah, because first of all, I can't like cry in front of my boy. 2, like I can't cry because the tears would like get my face really cold. But most importantly, like I was just so devastated because I'm like, my body is literally in shambles, right? And we are 3,500 feet up in the air. Or up on a mountain, I don't even know. Like when I'm on my crib and I'm cold, like I put the heater on. If the heater's not working, I put the oven on. There's none of that here.
Man, but it's been a rough night, I'll tell you guys, man. But we're surviving. Knock on wood, this tent is a freaking tank. The winds out here, there's at least gusts of 35, 40 miles an hour like a hurricane. I'm probably looking crazy with the ski mask on right now, but I gotta let you guys know we don't fuck around. We are fucking prepared for this shit. But what we're not prepared for is to get the fuck out of here because there's like 10 inches of snow out there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna catch you when the sun rises. Peace. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It looks like we've roughly got maybe 4 to 6 inches. Place looks totally different now. Well, honestly, this tent and tarp setup saved our asses yesterday. Look at the tent. Insane. Snowed in. Absolutely insane, guys. 45 mile per hour gusts, at least. Literally right over there, there's like a ledge, and all the wind would just sweep right over. Luckily, we had some tree coverage from these pine trees behind us, because we would definitely feel a lot more wind yesterday. Bear bag over there. You guys can see that hanging. We got our bear bag. It's a little too close to camp, but better than nothing. We gotta get the fuck out of here. All right, let's get tea going. 7:56 a.m. in the Catskills. And this is what it's all about. Tea in the morning and epic views in the snow. Cheers, dog. To another one. (9:10 a.m.) It is time to peace out to the site. We have packed up. It's time to go to the fucking diner. We're skipping out on day 2 because we ain't ready. No. But let's say bye. Campsite is gone. This is where we were yesterday.
That's the sheet of ice we were sitting.
We were sleeping on that patch of ice right there. But that's part of it. Peace out, everybody. Thank you for watching. Maybe I'll videotape later when we get to the car. If there's nothing after this, then I died. Peace out. Whew. There's a lot of snow, guys. A lot of fucking snow. making our way down this fucking mountain. But look at these views. This is what we came for, the experience. So we see all these prints right here. Really not sure what they are. Let's take a close look. I don't know what, it could be a pack of something, but they look small, man. Yo, what in the fucking world?
The distance between them, you can tell them.
Yeah.
But I just still don't know.
Let's get a close look at the print. Figure it out later.
They ran up that way.
We're not sure what it is, guys. It's a pack of something, I'll tell you that. Finally made it back. We see the bridge, the yellow brick road to the parking lot. This dude's sliding down. His micro spikes broke, look at him. That is wild, what? Yo, man, we made it.
So wrap, boys and girls. We made it back to Destiny Bridge.
Made it back, boys. We back. Get it? Oh man, that tastes good. Oh, that's good. Still mad I broke my camera, but fuck it. Guess we'll close out this vlog here at the trailhead. The rating of this adventure?
Yeah.
The rating of this adventure, I would say, man, 5 out of 5. We learned a lot on this adventure.
Oh my god, we learned so much.
So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. We'll catch you guys at the diner maybe, and we'll show you a little bit what we got. Peace out, everybody. See you guys on another adventure.
Oh, let's fucking get it.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Watch the food be trash.
Guys, looks like we got some bear prints. I'm not 100% sure, but that's a pretty big paw to me. Josh, what do you think?